Hello and welcome back. This is Steve Bucks Coins and welcome to the channel. Today we have a change checker blue card €2 coin. This shows the €2 on this side along with the second map of Europe. Then the coin itself is a sporting coin and it is a World Cup coin for the Rugby World Cup that's currently being played in France in 2023. You have a rugby player here. Around the top here you have the country and the fact that it is a Rugby World Cup. This coin, the rugby player is about to pass the ball. There's just one player there. As the sporting coins go, this is quite a good one. I enjoy this one. It's not overly fussy. It shows that the sport, you can see the shape of the rugby ball. You can see it's a rugby player. And it celebrates the World Cup because it tells you what it's celebrated on the outside. You have the 12 EU stars from the flag. So it's very much a sporting coin. It's not overly fussy, which is a nice thing to see. There's not much else you can say about this coin. It's celebrating, as I say, the 2023 World Cup. So what do you think of this coin? Is it a coin that you would buy and put into your collection? I actually quite like this one. It's a simple design that's effective. I've finished my review of this coin. Please add in the comments below what you think about this coin and whether you'd want it in your collection. So, if you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you're buying coins, then I hope you can get the coins you want for the price that you want to pay. I do a minimum of 4, but usually 5 videos a week. I'm currently looking to up my subscriber level. I'm aiming for 250 by New Year's Eve, New Year's Day at the end of 2023. I'm currently, as I say, around 226, so I do need a little bit of help to get there. So if you've enjoyed this video, please give me the thumbs up. If you believe I deserve it, please would you subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so. Finally, thank you for watching to the end of the video, and until we meet up again on this channel, from me, thank you and bye bye. Ta-ra now.